So let's make a fermented millet pancake, which is called a dosa in India. I've taken half a cup of foxtail millet. I have soaked it overnight and I'm grinding it now along with 1/4 cup of soaked urad lentils or urad dal. Now I'm going to put it for fermentation by adding a small piece of raw onion into it and let it ferment for about 8 hours. In a fairly warm place in your house, now 8 hours later, you're going to see a batter which is fluffy and light. This is the time that I want to make my dosa. Now I got my batter out, I've added some water and I've added some salt to it. You want to lightly season it. You can see how runny the consistency is. It is almost like a pancake batter. I've taken a thick pan, you can take a non-stick pan too, and put some of the batter using a flat spoon. I have gone in spirals to flatten the batter into a pancake shape. I've added ghee and I've spread it across and waited for it to separate from the pan. That's when you know that it's cooked. Now your batter is ready. You can store this in the refrigerator and use it whenever you want. When you make this fermented dosa using millets in place of rice, it takes the nutritional value to another level. And here I'm eating it with a hemp seed chutney, the recipe of which is going to be on my YouTube channel soon.